What's going on, everyone? It's Ali here, and in this video I want to show you a really cool way that you can use AI to potentially help you make more affiliate sales with your travel business. So in my particular case, I run a travel website called The Nature Seeker, and this is a website that gets about 70,000 visitors every single month, and I do things like affiliate marketing on it. Here are some of my stats in that over here. I also run ads on the site, and here's actually a 30-day report for that. But one of the ways that I make extra sales as an affiliate, to get to the point of this video, is I'm signed up with an affiliate network called Travel Payouts. And it's my favorite affiliate network because it allows you to promote things like TripAdvisor products and promotions, Viator, and a bunch of other places. But they have an AI tool called Emerald. And here is the stats of what happened when I activated the Emerald tool on my Nature Seeker website. And I'll explain in a moment how it works, but once I did, here's some of the stats that are coming in, and these are sales that are thanks to this AI tool. Now, what the Emerald tool does is you first have to be a member of Travel Payouts, and it's free. I'll leave a link below this video. But what it does is it takes your website. So let's say, for example, I go to one of my blog posts where we can see this very clearly, and it finds opportunities to insert affiliate links which are coded to your unique affiliate ID within your content. So this is content that I have, and this right here where it says Adirondack Mountains, this is an affiliate link that was placed by the Emerald tool in Travel Payouts because it just figured that this would be a great place to place it. And this leads people to a Booking.com website, which is actually part of the Travel Payouts network, where people can buy these things, and people have, which is what's led them to for me to get these affiliate sales. So it helps you find more affiliate linking opportunities without you having to do anything. The way that this tool works is you literally just activate it, and the AI tool goes to work. It scans your website, scans your blog post, finds affiliate marketing opportunities, and it's not just this area. If I keep scrolling down, here's another one. Let's see, where else is that? These are all, by the way, so this links to an airport area where people can buy tickets, and these are also my affiliate links. I didn't do this. The AI tool in Travel Payouts did this. Here's another one, this little banner over here. This also has opportunities here as well. So this is all thanks to the AI tool, and this is how much it's been making me thanks to that. I wouldn't have made these sales if the AI tool wasn't present. So the way that it works is really, really simple. All you need to do is sign up as a Travel Payouts affiliate. It's free. I will leave a link below this video to do that. And then you will have the option to go into where it says AI tools and see where it says Link Switcher and Emerald. Emerald is running. Now, if you click on this, you'll have the option to activate it in your case, or close it if you don't need it. But in my case, it's running. Link Switcher is actually a different tool. I'll leave a link below this video that explains what that is, but it's also a pretty decent tool. It basically consolidates all your other travel affiliate links that are from other programs into Travel Payouts, so you get paid from one place instead of having multiple affiliate networks to check on all the time. But that's how it works. It's an awesome tool. Just literally activating it helped increase my travel affiliate commission. So I highly recommend that you check that out. Now, obviously, all of this is predicated on the idea that you have some kind of website or a blog that's getting you traffic. And in my case, my Nature Seeker website that I'm sharing with you here, last month or over the last 30 days, it's gotten over 70,000 visitors. And if you're someone that is watching this right now and you want to know how to do something like that, maybe you're in square one, you're just getting started, or perhaps you're struggling and you're new to this, I'm going to leave a link below this video as well to a free case study that breaks down how this website gets the visitors that it gets, makes the money that it makes, which is not just the affiliate commissions that you saw up here, but also these commissions that come from me running ads on the site that I get paid for. But all of that is explained in the free beginner case study. You're welcome to check that out. There's also an action plan provided. So if you're not at this point yet where you can start taking advantage of this tool, this is going to be your jumpstart guide basically to help you get to that point. But I'm also going to leave a link to Travel Payouts as well as other relevant links in the description. So if you have any questions, let me know. If you enjoy this content, like, share, and subscribe. I'm someone that makes money online for a living, and I share how I do this on this channel. So that being said, if you have any other questions, let me know again, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.